let's talk a little bit about plasma setup as well as THC setup. I want to walk through it step by step here. When you got your THC, we have it mounted to our control box. In this case, you don't need to. But how it hooks up is you have a power cable coming off this backside. This power cable, of course, plugs into power. We like that. And then this other cable here coming off the backside with these pins here, yellow, green, red, black. They all go to the T port on the torch controller on this box here. So the T port here, down at the bottom, let's see if we can get a better shot of that. The T port right there. Then of course the plasma gets plugged into the P port, but let's go ahead and walk over to another machine, an actual plasma cutter here, and show you where all those get plugged in. Alright, we're going to walk over. I happen to have a spare Hypertherm 45 XP for our R&D department, and we'll walk through how this works. The plasma cutter, in this case the Hypertherm 45 XP, gets connected with two sets of wires. On this particular one, it's ports 3 and 4, which run the plasma on-off. And then this cable running the red and black actually runs over to the torch controller. This comes off of the 5 and 6 off of this machine. On other machines, you actually run it off of the raw arc voltage, and we can walk you through that setup on another video. But this is just your basic connections, basic interface. Your plasma goes on to 3 and 4 or on your on-off, and then this goes on to your torch controller. So you should have 2 raw leads that come off of this to your plasma cutter. Now, let's say you didn't in fact have a CPC port on the back. We're going to make a video about that.